Sanibonani, welcome to my YouTube channel, my board members. Kamalami ngosanelisiwe sibonga wakabang. If you've been part of the channel, izandla zidlula ikhanda. If you are new here, please do subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, please don't subscribe. I don't care. Okay, please subscribe. Road to 5,000 followers. To 5,000 subscribers, please subscribe. Today ngikhuluma namabhenqa, ngikhuluma namaZulu, ngikhuluma nabantu abathanda umaskandi, ngikhuluma nabantu abawondlavini, awumkaba yabafana nami, izinto ezithandwa uku ngiyadlala singathanda ukula. But breaking news today, ngiloko ngithi breaking, everything is breaking. So some of y'all know this guy right here. Oh yeah, ngimanqale, thandeni igama lakhe, iGCOKAMAELISHA, known as iGCOKAMAELISHA, a very well popular Maskandi artist from Le Emdletshen, known for being clean, known for wearing, clean, very clean. Gcokama, that's why Gcokama is somebody that is very clean. Gcokama, known as iGCOKAMAELISHA because he's very clean. He sings Maskandi. Ngeskhuluma ngokucula wakhe noma uyabhema noma abhengi noma uyaxabasa noma uyaxabalasi sewazi yena nonembeza wakhe. So anyway, Maskandi, they always have their own issues everywhere. My rivals are Kabukuzani and them whatever. So today, child abanye bayaboshwa abanye bayashawa. Usevele lo wangena ke manje uyophazamisa umcimbi angawona wakhe, umcimbi angawazi, umcimbi angamenyanga wona, umcimbi angahlangene nawo, umcimbi engahlangene. Wafika uGAZI wathela ngesibhakela, wakhahlela ngonyawo, wakhahlela ngekhanda, wakhahlela ngezibuko, wakhahlela ngezinqa. Hayibo. Okay, let me tell you the story, because right now this is the story. There's a guy called Ngelo V who's also a Maskandi artist. I don't know what is he, but he's Maskandi, whatever the fuck it is. Also sharp, we don't care whether he sings or he does not sing. We are put my sweet in any cutting. And you know, but anyway, he's got an event which is coming up. That event, the Maskandi is been driven the weekend. So in that Maskandi event, so he decided that abaculi kuzomela ukuthi bancedisane abe nozobu number 1, number 2 bese banamanda nokuwina ngazi kuwina 100,000. It's a competition kind of, which for me it's a kind of stupid. I understand ukuthi usufuna abantu ukuthi beze ku event neqhawe. Okay, kwaMaskandi ababizana ngamaqhawe. I understand usufuna abantu beze, but it's so stupid. If you want to do an event, call the artist, pay them, promote your event, let everybody come and perform, and then that's it. This thing ukuthi kumele uze iyaxabanisa. Okay, sharp. Sometimes I always feel he's not being supported. That's a story for another day. I'm not involved because you'll think I'm involved. Fuck Maskandi. I'm not part of Maskandi anymore. Ay, yabona ke la bese kunjena ke la dabuka indodi, dabuka isikindi endodeni. Hayi ke. So guy ke nawe uyathanda kulokho yenzana no live, ambekisa live osa media briefing, kodwa ngathi ubekhuluma ke phela ke kufanelazwa ukuthi nazo into sekumele zenzeke ke egcineni washo ecema. Hayi uthe meqeda nje ukuvalelisa nje esho umfoka Ngelo V, umfoka Ngelo uyeke lo we yambona ngathi unokuba umculo waphesheya kwangamela beka Maskandi vele lona, ngoba uyambona nje into enjani lena nje ngiyadlala ngaze nesengithe yanazi phela ninathanda ukufaka into eningazazi, but uyeke ubhuti lo bhuti osa R&B, ubhuti osasingisi ngathi uzothi mekhuluma. Yafika ke le ihashahasha leli, lafika ke libona liphethe isihlilinga. Hayi uzoyibukela ke nansi ivideo ibonela.
Abafuthi bengena lapha umthakathi sengimehlule bantshela bafana phela ngensimbi edlezile fuma wethu ngivume ngeke mfowethu ekahleni bafethu maneni bafethu ya hayi sine bafethu asikwazi kwenza into oh yes,
Yayibona-ke ividiyo ubengaboni lokhu ukuthi kuzoliwa lo. Uyabona lokhu etshela ukuthi awunazi insizwa kanti hayi lesi iplani lasemdletsheni nathi ngizothi 1 ngithi ching ngingene ngo-left ngingene ngo-right bese ngiyamdonsa i-security yami lana ezobe sinithatha. Hayi yazini, thank you so much for putting through to my YouTube channel. Subscribe.